Hello, my name is Jared, and I'm here to show you how to make a classic cocktail, the marmalade cocktail, but with Sequoia's coastal style ginjo sake. First ingredient, of course, is our sake. 3 ounces. Quarter ounce simple syrup, quarter ounce lemon juice, two big teaspoons of your jam preserves. This one's just plums, pluots, a little sugar, and cinnamon cooked down. Just a few ice cubes. You don't want to water it down too much. And shake quickly. Strain into your empty glass. Add your diced plum, which has been sprinkled with a little bit of ground up star anise. A little fresh ice on top. And the mint sprig. Cheers.